The recessed wall-mounted diffuser is not just any diffuser, but as Baglioni stated, it is our little big love. We are referring to the SIC119, a small recessed plasterboard diffuser that is aesthetically the smallest in our current catalog for plasterboard recess. However, it is large in terms of performance, as it offers an aesthetic dimension of 19 x 19 cm, providing the highest performance. This diffuser has a power of 120 watt RMS with a maximum of 240 watts and a sensitivity of 92 dB. It features a tweeter with a silk dome and a 25mm coil, while the woofer is equipped with anodized magnets and a large coil to support the 120 watt RMS power and ensure proper cooling for optimal performance. The crossover is comprised of coils with considerable thickness for the treble section and is wound in an area that is free of obstructions. The connector is made up of two metal push pins. The crossover supports are made of brass. This is a speaker that can be used for a particularly sustained background music, and this is its minimum use and even almost wasted compared to the performance it has, up to setting up home theater systems. I am not referring to home theater. Let us consider very large rooms with an area of over 50 square meters, but certainly a home theater in a room with an area ranging from 20 to 25 square meters already provides good performance with small dimensions and significant performances. This speaker, similar to the others in the series, is installed in plasterboard and wall, so our Luna series is specifically designed to seamlessly integrate sound into the architecture. How? Meanwhile, it is a diffuser that, as you can see, is not mainly made of plastic, is plastic free, or almost. We have the support that is made of steel. We have the speaker that, however, has the buffer to the aluminum basket. All the supports are in metal. It is a product that, once installed, is really flush mount. So through its speaker frame and aesthetic part, I have a completely planar diffuser on the wall. Our Luna collection is versatile as it's easily installable, and I can install it on the wall or ceiling, providing flexibility in placement. Furthermore, this is a product made in Italy from design to production. Now I'm going to install it and maybe I'll go listen to a nice song by Queen. Bye.